I didn't even cut nothing off.
Look at his face.
I'm definitely gonna need a shower.
Oh
You can
yeah.
jump in.
There you go.
We have those here.
Should have used the K, huh, Melissa?
Yeah, that's alright.
It ain't even making a difference.
It ain't making no difference.
It's cutting
It's just
a
making it
little
pop.
bit. And you got thick hair. Boy.
Yeah, he said I can cut it as low as I want. He would never. He said he wouldn't really notice.
Feel like
nothing.
that.
God dang, this how mine is, Liz?
Thicker.
You
Yours
ain't
is thick.
ever going bald.
Yours is thick though.
That's good.
Jeff, I think yours.
That's good.
I'll fill his head.
No, I'm saying that's good. He's never gonna go bald.
Your hair's thicker than
Yeah,
that.
this ain't even cutting the side.
Jeffrey's
at
is
all.
thicker.
Yes.
Yeah, Jeffrey
No,
got thick.
you got.
No, I don't
this
know,
shit,
Jeff.
you don't got a fucking spot on your head, boy.
No, I'm saying the thickness of how close each follicle is.
Dude, this ain't even fucking. All it did was cut that front off. Your sides didn't even do nothing.
No, it ain't doing nothing to the sides.
Look up.
His face.
Here.
Where's Alta?
On the scooter.
He took a ride on the scooter.
Ow, you have to press so hard.
Yeah, but you want to get it all even.
He's a barber now.
I'm so glad I have this on
What they doing to Uncle
recording.
Chris? What they doing to Uncle Chris?
Boy. Gotta get the cowlick, you got the Frank.
B, are you next?
Like,
Yeah, I don't want no big couch.
Million has
no,
their
it's all
same
even. That's
palette.
what we gotta do.
It's all even. It's all even.
You're all good. You're
B.
so good.
B, look at me.
Get around his ears,
Fine,
Jeff.
dude. I will when.
Hey,
this
B,
is
turn
already
around.
Cutting. I mean, I have to take a go
Hey.
to get
Here,
around here.
let me take. Let me.
Hi.
Here. That's it.
Let me see.
You gonna wave to me?
Oh, it's cute.
I'm recording you.
Yeah, I like it. Like, yeah, you look good.
I might want to.
Here, you want to go? Here, here.
Go look inside.
Go look.
Yeah, you look good, dude.